Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. I've got a 2000 KX 125. It's in really decent shape mechanically. Ran through the gears well. Sounds good, idles good, runs good. It's got broken brake lever. One of the holes is stripped in the fuel tank. I've seen that before with these KXs. But it seemed to run out good. Brakes work good, shifted well, clutched good. Somebody was in the clutch, and instead of a gasket, they used blue silicone to seal it. I don't know how far in the past that was, but it seemed to work well, seemed to operate well. Let me get the fuel on, choke on. See if I can get it fired up quick. It's got the fat bars with the bigger clamps put on it. If you need parts for your KX or other bikes, and I think a lot of these parts on the 2000 KX 125 will fit on the 250 and other years. We'll check that out when we list the parts. Plastics all look really decent. Seat looks like it's a aftermarket gripper seat. So let us know what you need. Hopefully we can help you out. Subscribe down below to see what else we're taking apart. Thanks for watching.